Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix LG monitor out of range, adjust resolution and refresh rate on PC. Fix 1 is boot into safe mode. Turn off your PC, then turn it back on and enter Windows recovery environment. Go to troubleshoot, then advanced option, then startup setting. Click restart. Press 4 or F4 to boot into safe mode. Second one is change the screen resolution. Right click on the desktop and select display setting. Then scroll down to display resolution. Then select the recommended resolution. Click keep changes. Third one is change the refresh rate. Open setting, then system, then display. Click advanced display. Under choose a refresh rate, select 60 Hz or another refresh rate supported by your LG monitor. Apply the changes. Fourth one is check the display cable. Turn off your PC and LG monitor, then disconnect the HDMI DisplayPort or VGA cable. Reconnect the cable securely. If available, try a different cable or HDMI different DisplayPort. Then turn on the monitor and PC. Thanks for watching.